guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. I'm sorry you guys have to see me like this like for 5 videos, but today I have to pre-film because I start school January 3rd and I'm not gonna have that much time. But anyways, today I am filming the intro for the I Love the 90s project pan, and I'm super excited because I was born in the late 1900s, so I am a 90s baby. So I just thought this would be a fun project pan to do, and I did find this on the Fantastic Ladies Collab Facebook, so I will have them linked down below. And the creator for this project pan is Laura, and I will also have her link down below, and I will have all of the information of this project pan in the description box as well. And you guys could also click on the master list and you guys will find all of the ladies that are doing this project pan, so you guys could go follow their progress and all of that. And yeah, so anyways, for this project pan we could randomly choose 8 to 10 prompts, and if we finish or meet our goal we could just roll it out and randomly choose another prompt. And yeah, and I'm super excited. So I chose 8 products and I have them all laid out right here. So the first prompt that I chose is Smells Like Team Spirit, and that is a scented product. So for that one I chose the Dominic Cosmetics Lemonade lip gloss, and it's this one right here. And this one, okay, I'm not sure if this has a name or not. I can't see if it has letters underneath or not. I'm like super duper blind. But anyways, it's the lip gloss that we got in our BoxyCharm a long time ago, and my goal for this is to use it 20 times and then I'll roll it out. That's the first product. Now the second prompt, it is no scrubs, and that is a product that you want to get out of your life. And for that one I chose a Fenty Beauty bronzer, this one right here, and this one is the Shady Business. Well, I chose this one because I don't really like using bronzer, so I just want to get it out of my collection, and that's what it looks like. I've probably only used it like 2 or 3 times, so my goal for this is to finish the whole thing and get it out of my collection. So we will see how long this takes me. I'm also going to try to use it as a eyeshadow so I could finish it faster. Okay, now the next prompt number 3, it is Jurassic Park. So that is the oldest product, and so for that one I chose another lip product, and it is a lipstick, and this one is the New York City Expert Last Lip Color lipstick, this one right here, and this one is in the shade Sugar Plum. And I did get this one for free from influencer like 4 years ago or 5 years ago, maybe even 7 years ago. Like, it's really old. I've only used it a couple of times, so I want to get more use out of it, and it still looks good and it smells good. It doesn't smell bad, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to swatch it down here. It looks like a really pretty pink, this one right there. It's like a shimmery pink, so I'm excited to use it, and my goal is to use it 30 times. And you know what, my goal is going to be to finish the whole thing, so we will see how long this takes me. Hopefully I could finish it by the end of 2022, hopefully in 6 months. Let's see. Prompt number 4 is Clueless, a product you were clueless how to apply. So for that one I am bringing in the Marc Jacobs highlighter drops, these right here, and it's like a little sample, and my goal for this one is to use it at least 20 times, so hopefully I could do that. And it does have a pump. So, oh crap, I put a lot of product there. Apparently I still don't know how to use this. But anyways, my goal is to use this highlighter at least 20 times. I know it's a lot of product there, but just whatever, just ignore that, and who knows, maybe I'll finish this in 20 uses. Now prompt number 5, I chose The Simpsons, and it is a yellow product or packaging. So for that one I chose a new palette, and this one is the ColourPop Little Ray of Sunshine, and it's this one right here. This one was a gift from my friend Bianca, and I will link her down below. She has a YouTube channel, so you guys could go check her out, and she does makeup videos and all of that good stuff, so make sure to go check her out, you guys. So thank you so much, Bianca, for this beautiful palette and well, everything that you sent me. I'm super excited to use this palette, and this is what it looks like. It's a pretty neutral palette, but I really like the colors, like the combination, like the yellows with the browns. I think I could make really pretty sunflower looks with this palette. So I'm super excited to use this palette, and my goal for this is to use it 20 times as well. Okay, prompt number 6. I chose Goosebumps, and that one is a spooky themed item. And so for that one, I brought in one of my Halloween palettes, and I brought in the I Love Revolution or I Heart Revolution Curses and Hexes, and I feel like I haven't gave this palette that much love, so I decided to bring it in, and I want to use this palette at least 20 times. Okay, if the angle is different, it's because my battery died. So my goal for this palette is to use it 20 times, and I want to use the shades that I've barely used, so like these 3 shades right there, and like this purple. Hopefully I could do that in a month. If not, I still have time. Okay, so for number 7, I chose What's Up. So it is a morning routine product. So I just chose a lip scrub, and it is the Jeffree Star Velour lip scrub. This one right here, and it is a cucumber lip scrub. My goal for this is to use it. Okay, I wrote down use it up. So my goal is to use it up, and let me show you what it looks like. It's not completely full. It's probably halfway, I guess. So hopefully I could finish this whole thing up soon. Okay, and let's see. Now prompt number 8, it is butterfly clips, cute packaging. So for that one, I chose another eyeshadow palette, and I chose the I Heart Revolution chocolate orange palette, and this one I got it from my friend Bianca as well. It's this one right here, and I thought this was super cute because it looks like a little chocolate bar. I really wanted to use this palette, so I just decided to put it in this project pan. This is what the color story looks like. It's super pretty and it's cute. I really like the pinks and the purples and the orange, so I'm excited and I can't wait to use this palette, and I feel like this palette is going to go really well with this sunshine palette. So yeah, and my goal for this one is to use it at least 20 times. So we will see how long it takes me to use this palette. Hopefully we could see some dips next time I do an update, and I will be doing an update in the beginning of February. And that is all of the products that I am bringing in for the I Love the 90s project pan. So I'm super excited to start this project pan, and I can't wait to see the progress. I hope I do really well, and I hope that everyone that is doing this project pan does well in their products, and I can't wait to watch all of their videos or look at their pictures and stuff. So yeah, anyways, make sure to go check out the link in the description box, the master list, so you guys could go see everyone's videos. And if you guys are doing this project pan, let me know in the comments below so I could go watch your video. So anyways, that is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if